Black Urea. How ordinary fertilizer becomes extraordinary. Fertilizer is applied to the soil at typically 20 to 30% less than usually required. As the fertilizer dissolves, the coating releases and the fertilizer dissolves into the coating in the soil. The urea will hydrolyze to ammonium as usual. As this occurs, the nutrient bonds to the coating, forming a more stable complex than occurs in uncoated fertilizer. The biological and chemical interactions that promote nutrient conversion expose the loss potential of the nutrients. In coated products, the more stable complex slows these reactions and promotes an increase in microbial communities that further allows the storage of nutrients in a biological form. As the seed is sown and the losses continue to occur, two effects are evident in the coated product. Firstly, a reduction in losses, and secondly, the remaining nutrients are in a more stable form. As the plant grows and biological activity increases, excessive amounts of plant-available nutrients are supplied by uncoated product, which the plant cannot efficiently use, and possible further losses are created. The coated product provides adequate available nutrients and further conversion controlled by the plant and microbial interaction. This process continues as the plant continues to grow. As the uncoated supplied soil runs out of nutrient to feed a still growing plant, the coated supplied soil continues to provide nutrients and support a healthier growing environment. The results show that this effect improves the economic productivity of the grower, as well as reduce the possible effects of fertilizer on our environment.